First, navigate to your device's settings. Look for the display option. Ready to enhance your recording quality? Now, locate the screen recording option. Tap to enable features for better performance and quality. Next, adjust your frame rate settings. Set it to 120 FPS for ultra-smooth video captures. Don't forget to enable sound recording. Capture every drop of audio during your gameplay or tutorial. You're all set. Just access the screen recording from your quick settings panel. Press record and start capturing your screen at lightning speed. Enjoy recording like a pro. To optimize quality, clear background apps. Free up memory for a smoother recording experience. Try recording in a well-lit environment. Better lighting leads to better video quality. After recording, review and edit your footage. Trim unnecessary parts for a polished final product. Share your creations with friends or online. Show them the amazing quality you've achieved. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep experimenting with different settings and techniques. Your journey to capturing stunning 120 FPS videos starts now. Happy recording!